I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to make my favorite ranch dressing, keto style. Now, when I started my ketogenic journey, I knew that there would be sacrifices that I would make for things that I had come to love to eat. But thankfully, my love of cooking allows me to explore different types of recipes. And so I have been able to bring back many of the things that I've loved when I was non-ketogenic into my ketogenic lifestyle. This ranch dressing is one example of that. Now, one of the reasons that I make my own dressings is because I've decided that I should not be eating things that I can't pronounce. And when I look at the bottles of some of the sugar-free dressings, they do contain certain preservatives that I'd rather skip. So today, I'm going to be using mayonnaise, a half a cup of sour cream, or you can use Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, a half a teaspoon of dried dill, a half a teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and 3/4 cup buttermilk or regular whole milk. So as I don't have either buttermilk or whole milk, I'm going to use what I have on hand, which is this unsweetened coconut milk. And what's the worst that could happen? I discover something with a new twist. So let's get to it. I have all my ingredients measured out. So in the bowl, I have 2 teaspoons of dried chives, a half a teaspoon of dried dill, a half a teaspoon of dried parsley, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and to that, I'm going to add the mayo, the sour cream, and the milk. So I'm just going to give my spices a little stir and give them a head start on getting mixed together. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. And as you know, I'm using coconut milk. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And to finish it off, I'm going to add in a half a cup of mayonnaise. Now, when you shop for mayonnaise, it's a good idea to look to see if it has any sugar content in it. So now I'm just going to whisk this together until it's nice and smooth and all of the ingredients are mixed in. And look at that, voila. I have homemade ketogenic ranch dressing. And it's perfect. So hopefully, if you're into your ketogenic lifestyle, you'll start to make decisions to incorporate things that you prepare because you know what you prepared them with. So until next time, bon appetit. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.